Hi, warm welcome to you. It's a Sunday morning and I'm just waiting for my kid and his friend because they said they need help with algebra. So we're about to start the algebra session. Thanks for visiting. We will together go through the algebra session. Okay, here they come. We are about to start. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, they have a request. Let me try to understand what it is. Oh, they want to have pizza. Yes. My wife made delicious homemade pizzas today, so they want to have the pizza, then afterwards they want to go ahead with the class. So I think you have to bear with me for some time. We have to enjoy delicious pizza. Okay, we made three pizzas today, and since everyone want to have a go with it, I said that let's divide the first one into 8 slices. So let's go ahead and divide the first pizza into 8 slices. We have divided the first pizza into 8 slices. Now we have 8 slices, and let's see how we want to go ahead with it. Okay, let me just give the names to them because I think they want to see who wants to have more. So let's see. I will say my kid, then I will say friend, mom, dad. That's me. Okay, the first pizza, my kid said he want to have 2 slices. His friend said he is hungry, he want to have 8 slices. Mom said she will have 2 slices too. Since everybody said they need company, I just agreed for to have 1 slice because I already had my breakfast. Okay, they consumed the first pizza, but they are not satisfied. They're still feeling hungry. So they said they want to go ahead with the second pizza. Now they want to divide it into only 4 slices so that they can have big chunk. I said okay, it's okay, go ahead with it. So now my kid had 2 slices, friend had 1 slice, mom had 1 slice, dad 0. Still they are feeling hungry. As I said earlier, the pizzas are small and they are homemade. So now they said we will not give any share to mom. We will eat it in between us. They said they want to have 1 slice and another slice. I think they are almost done with this part. If they eat more, they will be dozing off in the class. So I think that's fine. We'll go ahead with algebra once we are done with this. We are about to start algebra. Now they have a question. They are saying, my kid is saying, Dad, the first pizza I had 2 slices. In the second pizza I had 2 slices. And in the third pizza I had 1 slice. Whereas my friend had in the first pizza 3 slices, second one and third one. Seems like we both had 5 slices each. Do you think it's correct or wrong? Then I said, no, you can't compare like that because the first pizza is having 8 slices, whereas the second one is having third one is divided into only 2 slices. Now, you want to compare these, you should have all of them into equal slices. Then they got excited. They said, Dad, we'll keep algebra aside. Let's learn about this. Let us play this game. Let us say that 1, 2, 3 pizzas are 1, 2, 3 rounds and we want to see who win after each round. So that way you can also tell us a little bit about fractions because we have fractions also in our syllabus. I said that's fine. Okay, we can go ahead with algebra next week. Let's see what are fractions. I told them, if you look in the first pizza, you had 2 slices out of 8. You know that this is divided into 8 slices, this is divided into 4 slices, and this is divided into 2 slices. In the first pizza, you had 2 slices, your friend had 8 slices, mom had 2, I had 1. Now if you see, I have written 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 2 by 8 and 1 by 8. Now writing like this, where you compare one number with another number by saying 2 by 8 is called as fraction. And the definition of fraction is, a fraction is nothing but comparison of a part to the whole. The meaning in this scenario is, in this pizza, we divided this into 8 slices. Now if you take any equal number of slices, now you take any of these 2 slices or 3 slices or 4 slices or 5 or for that matter whole 8 and compare with the total number of slices you have, that is called as fraction. Now can you tell me how it happens in the second scenario? In the second scenario you have divided that into only 4 slices. So this becomes 2 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Similarly in the third scenario it's 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, now you are interested to know who is the winner. Okay, let's find out who is the winner after each round. Let us say let's look at the first round. First round, your friend had 3 slices out of the 8. You had 2, mom had 2, dad 1. So your friend is the winner. Okay, that's fine. Now if you compare the two, who is the winner after the 2 rounds? In the second round, if you see, you had 2 slices out of 4, your friend had 1 out of 4 and mom had 1 by 4. But we have a problem now. Now earlier one is divided into 8 slices, this is divided into 4 slices. How to add this? Let's find out how to do that. For that, what I will do, whatever the pizza you have divided into 4 slices, I will divide that into 8 slices, 8 equal slices. Now, earlier you had 2 slices, that means you had these 2 slices. Now, those 2 slices are nothing but equal to 4 slices. So, you can say this as equal to 4 slices out of 8 slices. Similarly, your friend had 1 slice. Now that 1 slice is equal to 2 slices. That means you can say 2 by 8. Similarly, mom also 2 by 8. Now, can you think about the third one? There are only 2 slices. You took 1, he took 1. Now this also we will divide this into 8 slices. Now if you compare, your 1 slice earlier when you have divided that into 2 parts is now equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 8. That means I can say this is equal to 4 by 8. Similarly, this is 4 by 8. Now this is pretty easy. We can find out now who are the winners. Let us look at the second round. The first round winner is your friend. Let us look at the second round. After the second round, to win, let us see, in the first pizza you had 2 by 8 and in the second one you had 4 by 8. 2 by 8 plus 4 by 8. 2 by 8 plus 4 by 8. I can add these 2 plus 4, 6 by 8. You had 6 by 8. Your friend had 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8, that is nothing but equal to 5 by 8. And mom had only 2 by 8 plus 2 by 8. That means 6 by 8, 5 by 8 and 4 by 8. And I have 1 by 8. You can see very clearly 6 by 8 is the winner. That means you are the winner of the second round. So, kid, wins it. Now similarly, let's look at after third round how it's going like. After third round, first two rounds you had 6 by 8 and in the third round you had 4 by 8. Similarly, your friend had earlier 5 by 8 and now he had 4 by 8. This is equal to 10 by 8 and 5 plus 4 9 by 8, and mom didn't took anything out of the third, so she remains at 4 by 8 and I remain at 1 by 8. So after 3 rounds again you are the winner. So you won the competition. Now we just took one example and we have added two fractions. In the next video, taking this example, let us understand fractions in detail. We'll go through proper fractions, improper fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, equal fractions. See you in the next video. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now. In the next video, we'll learn the concepts of fractions and how to add and subtract in mathematically using the same example.